Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we're diving into the rapidly growing market for continuous glucose monitoring, or CGM, devices in Southeast Asia. The demand for CGM technology in the region is exploding. This is driven by a sharp increase in diabetes prevalence and a rising, tech-savvy middle class. The market was valued at over $280 million in 2023. It is projected to grow at over 8% annually. This presents a massive opportunity for medtech innovators. However, this opportunity comes with significant challenges. The primary hurdle is the fragmented regulatory landscape. Unlike the European Union with its unified CE marking, ASEAN is a collection of distinct markets. Each country has its own regulatory body, its own set of rules, and its own unique complexities. For example, Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, is known for its efficiency and clear guidelines. It often serves as a gateway for companies entering the region. But success in Singapore does not guarantee a smooth path elsewhere. Let's consider a real-world scenario for a CGM company expanding from Singapore to its neighbors. In Malaysia, your device must be registered with the Medical Device Authority, or MDA. This requires a local authorized representative and adherence to a specific classification system that might differ from Singapore's. Then, if you target Indonesia, the requirements change again. The Ministry of Health requires extensive documentation, often needing translation into Bahasa Indonesia. They also mandate a local license holder, and the approval timelines can be unpredictable. A technical dossier that worked perfectly for the HSA in Singapore might need significant modification for Indonesia or Thailand's FDA. This patchwork of regulations creates costly delays and operational headaches for companies. A common mistake is underestimating the need for deep local expertise. For instance, a US-based CGM manufacturer with FDA approval tried to enter Vietnam. They assumed their US documentation would be sufficient. They spent months in a back and forth with regulators, only to learn they needed an in-country representative and had to reformat their entire technical file to meet local standards. This delay allowed a competitor, who partnered with a local expert, to capture initial market share. Success in the ASEAN CGM market is not just about having a great product. It's about having a sophisticated, market-by-market regulatory strategy. Navigating this rewarding but complex environment requires specialized knowledge. For companies looking to effectively tap into the ASEAN CGM market and avoid costly pitfalls, expert guidance is key. To learn more about streamlining your market access, you can email info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online at pureglobal.com.